Alright, I'm gonna try to fix my cracked head gasket with this K-Seal Ultimate ceramic head gasket repair. So I gotta shake it for 30 seconds and then we gotta pour it in. Alright, so this thing said to pour it directly into the radiator. I don't know exactly where it is. I think it's under here. Or it's had to pour it in here. So we'll try it. Yes, I am.
Lori, I'm upstairs from your dad.
Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. All right, so far the smoke in the back has stopped. A little bit. Still going on a little bit. But it's 4:03 now. I started at 4. So we'll let it run for a little bit longer. Alright, so I just tested out. I don't smell burnt coolant anymore. Let's see what it's looking like. I was having some car trouble here the last few months, so I really haven't driven my car. But right now, I did a little something to it, and it's running 100 times better. So I'm gonna keep testing out. I've been running for about 30 minutes now, and I'm gonna keep testing it. I'm gonna drive a little bit, but it seems like it might be back running, baby. No smoke.
Orange catch and cook. Yeah, we hook it, then we cook. Little fire, little look. Sing it back, orange catch and cook. Orange catch and cook. Yeah, we hook it, then we cook. Little fire, little look. Sing it back, orange catch and cook. Hey. Camera on, we rollin'. Tackle box, yeah, we strolling. From the dock to the pan, we book. All day watching corns catch and cook. Camera on, we rollin'. Tackle box, yeah, we strolling. From the dock to the pan, we book. All day watching corns catch and cook. Corns catch and cook. Yeah, we hook it, then we cook. Little fire, little look. Sing it back, corns catch and cook. Hey, corns catch and cook. Yeah, we hook it, then we cook. Little fire, little look. Sing it back, corns catch and cook. Hey.